Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's quite very beautiful to come back in Nottingham. We have not been able to come back for almost 3 weeks. We have not been able to make a video for almost 3 weeks now. Today we are back. Let's be able to go for a walk. This is where we are now. I think if you want to watch movie, this is the place you can come and spend your time. If you're kind of somebody who loves movie, this is where you get it. A lot of people as well is quite a lot of people who have decided to come inside the city center. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. I think people just come inside the city center. They want to be able to use the opportunity to be able to spend their time inside the city center. But it also, if you're kind of somebody who doesn't like crowd, but it's not so much crowd people today. I think what happened, some people decided to use the opportunity to come inside the city. I'm just gonna walk. I'm not gonna show myself much, just to show you guys a little bit. I am shooting this video in ultra wide, so let's go out there and see what is really going on today. It's not gonna be a long video, probably 10 minutes. So this is the best place you can get the best sandwich. I think it's called Ugly Some. This is the best place you can come. It's like a cafe bar. They do something like Turkish, Arabic sandwich. That's what they do, particularly on that place. You can get everything you need. It's a little bit busy today as well. A little bit busy. The sun is out as well, so I just want you guys to see this video. I'm not going to interrupt it. Let's see what the camera is saying. Let's just keep walking.
There's one there, isn't there?
If we will see something which require us to say something, we will say, But I think a lot of people are out there. This being on Sunday, trying to use the opportunity to be able to have a drink, spend their time a little bit inside the city center as well. So, what do you think about the video being in ultra wide? Please, guys, tell me if you like the video being in ultra wide. Just tell us what you think if the video being ultra wide as well. If you're kind of somebody who loves to go out there to get yourself a drink inside the city, this is the perfect time to do it. So there's a lot of people, a lot of places you can go and get yourself a drink.
Oh, it's fine.
You can do that. It's quite a little bit calm by this time. It's not a lot busy, but as well, it's beautiful time where you could come and be able to spend your time. All right. Yeah, man. So you can be able to use the opportunity to be able to spend your time inside the city, and also it depends what you want to do. So let's just keep going, to show you guys a little bit. Today being November 2nd, you're not gonna see this video today. Probably gonna see this video in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But remember, today is November 2nd. Whatever you're seeing today, this is what is really going on today. This is what is really going on today. This side there is mainly going towards the inside the Nottingham Victoria. So if you look around it, you have Zara on my front there, Barclays Bank, and this place is quite a little bit busy, not busy. You can go up there, you can get inside the Nottingham library. I think they opened today, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what they are doing. They are setting up Nottingham Christmas village already. The Christmas village is been setting up already, which is in the next 3 weeks. Everything will just start. I think along this road here, it will be a lot of stores here, which they have not started putting everything around the shop here already. This is gonna be the last place they will be able to touch anyway. Tell me what do you think about DJI Action Camera 5 Pro? You know, what do you think about the quality? If the weather is very good, the quality is always gonna be very beautiful. I'm shooting in normal color. I'm not shooting on D-Log, you know. I'm shooting in normal color, not on D-Log. I don't want the video to be very long, so let's just walk towards this way, you know. This is what is already going on, Wonderland. You know, this is what they do every year. They set up stuff like this, and you know, they set up stuff like this. They show you all this Christmas stuff where they can be able to have all this thing goes on like this. I think they already started already. So let's see.
حماية للسودان. Free Sudan! Free Sudan! Free Sudan! Free Sudan! Free Sudan!
I think they are demonstrating against what is going on in Sudan, which is good. What is going on in Sudan is quite something that you don't believe what is really going on in Sudan. So most of these places is gonna be shop anyway, which is gonna be coming up very soon for Christmas shop. You know, you can see what is going on here. You can see the name. It's gonna be coming up probably in the next 2 weeks. It's gonna start. There's a lot of job need to be done inside there. There's a lot of job need to be done inside there, you know, which is a lot need to be done inside. All this place will be all shops. Will be all shop along this way. So we're just gonna go and get ourselves a drink and use the opportunity to be able to upload some video. So guys, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. This is what is really Nottingham is looking like today. You can see how many pigeons in this place, you know. This is what's really going on today. Just check out this. I don't know why it's so many pigeons. I think they probably is also giving them food. That is why, check out this. It's giving them food. That is why you have so many of them around here within this area. You know, it's probably is giving them food. That's why you see what is really going on here. This is Nottingham Market Square place. So what you have to understand, I don't want to make the video too long. I just want to show you guys what is really going on today. Guys, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you. We're just gonna go somewhere and sit down, probably get ourselves a glass of beer and use the opportunity to be able to upload some of my short video. I'll be able to upload some of my short video. I'm gonna do that, and also this is how beautiful today is looking. Thank you guys. Thank you.